Okay, YouTubers, welcome back, and now we are going to the second video, which we are going to use Smartbone to correct every movement of this character. Okay, before I do that, please subscribe if you have not subscribed. Now I'm going to check the shoe, left shoe. Use these hide edge tools to hide here. Okay, and then just edit slightly this, or if you wish you can still hide that. Okay, go to the right shoe as well. So right shoe, and do the same thing. Use the hide line, this and this. Okay, adjust slightly here and here. Okay, now start with the smart bone. You need to go to bone selection tools or click B, and we will start by, I like to start from the legs. Okay, as you can see from here, this leg, if we manipulate, it's gonna, okay, so first of all, just be there. Okay, so click here. Once you click there, this bone is highlighted. You can see it is B17. You can always name your bones as well, like a leg, head, anything. Okay, so go to action panel, click new action. You can see B17 has been selected. Once you click that, then slide your timeline anywhere, 18, 24, it doesn't matter. Let's do 24 this time. And then go to bone selection tools and transformation bone. Now use this to transform, to send your bone anywhere you want. So for example here, okay, I'm going to hide the skirt first so that I can see. Now go back to, so this is the right leg. Go to right leg and use transformation tools, and to go back to use these transformation points to adjust the leg the way you want it. I think we did bend this leg so much, which we should not have done that, okay? Because we want it to do the in the real thing. Okay. Right, just like this should be okay. Let's have a look. Yeah, simple, just like that, and it did work. If you want to increase the thigh, you can always do. Okay, that's fine. Now go back to main. This time we are going to select this one. One more things before we do that, go back here. Let's select this and then manipulate and see if we can bring this leg the other side. Yeah, so there's no issues. Now even if we bend in that side, you see it bend nicely. There's no issue at all. Okay, so go back to bone selection and we are going to select this B14. Go back to action, B14, and then let's slide it to number 24, and then use transformation tool for bone, and we are going to bring it somewhere around here. The right leg, we're going to make it invisible and click the left leg. Transformation tools, and we are going to adjust this one and that one. Maybe we didn't need to come this way like we did before, and should be fine here. Okay, let's have a look. Yeah, I think we are fine here. We've got natural movement. Okay, now go here, bring back the leg. So if we manipulate those, you can see everything now rotate fine. and here it rotates fine as well. Okay, we don't like this, so since we don't like this, so you can see like the leg bend all this way, then we need to use, before we continue with the smart bone, we need to use bone constraint. So while this is selected, go to bone constraints and then angle. So this angle, this is the one which we are interested. If we bring it to 30 and let us try to manipulate, okay, it's still, so I think we need to make that angle to, just for now, it might work, it might not work. Let's have a look again. Yeah, now it's fine. It's not gonna go there. I don't know later on how it's gonna affect us, but for now let it be in there. The same way we need to do this bone constraint as well. Bone constraint and angle constraint. With this one we bring it to 5. That should work perfect now. Okay, now go back to the skirt. Now we are going to do the same with the hands. Okay, we will start with this hand, B7. We know it is B7, go to 24, and then these tools all the way here. So that is the right hand. You can always search from here and click like right hand. Okay, and now we can use transformation tools to transform that hand. Just to let you know, you can use any tools including these tools, okay, if you need. But at the moment I don't need, so I'm just using these tools here. Okay, let's make it muscles. And here we go. Okay, here we do have a slightly issue here. You can see when it bend, we can always correct it from here. Can always do this. Each step we don't like it, that's fine. This one is fine because the other part is invisible. Okay, it's good to look like there's a muscles there. Okay, now that's done. Go to main line and then we select this. Let's have a look first also with this one. If we need to do anything with the top. Okay, yes we need. You can see that when we go this side, like it's out, and this is the issue with the shoulders. Otherwise we can reduce how, yeah, so that's the issue, you can see. But sometimes the shoulder, this is what help with the shoulder bone. So okay, so we'll need to do the smart bone for that as well. Yeah, okay, so in that situation we are going to do the smart bone for that, and that is B6. Bring it to 24, and we are going to right hand. Okay, so yeah, just like here maybe, and then we can go to the right hand now. Transformation tools. It's good to use Smartbone. It works really well to correct your rigging. It's really good. Okay, so anywhere you need to correct, you can do at the same time. I know 24 is far, that's why we are facing this. Maybe we could do like timeline 10. We would not have faced this issue, I believe. Yeah. Okay, so that's corrected now. Go to main line and move on to the next one. Now let's move to this one. So that is that one. Okay. B11, 24, go all the way to 24, somewhere here. This is not much to correct, but yes, we can do it. And that is the left hand. Transformation tools. Yeah, that's fine. I don't think we need to do anything with this one. Maybe here again to get the natural movement. Here again and here. Okay, done with that. Now, how about the other hand? How about this one? Yeah, so this one also we need to do something. Okay, so let's go back. So with this one, I think we don't need to do much. We just need to reduce this. Yeah. Yeah, we just need to reduce that. And yeah, because we have done that, then we have disturbed our smart bond for hand here. So we need to correct the smart bond down. Okay. So this was this bond. It was B11. So let's go to B11 and we correct the smart bond, which is the left hand. Let us remove these points. Maybe they are useless for now. Yeah, fine. Okay, main line. And now with this one, we can always manipulate and bring this hand here from starting. If we go there, yeah, we better use the smart bond for that one as well. Okay, use smart bond for that, and then add B10, go to 24, and when, no, not that one. When we do this, instead we can move this. instead of doing anything with the hand, we can move. For starting position also, yeah, just like that, and we can move it like that. Okay, so that is done. Now let us check the rigging if everything works perfect. Yeah, it's okay for the other side, don't worry, because we are not gonna bend our hand like that. But if you want, you can do this now. If you don't think you're gonna use here, you shouldn't be using that. Okay. Right, so there's something else which we have not done, which is this one. Okay, let's select this bone, add smart bone for that, B2, and then go to 24, and let's bend that one. When we bend all the way like this, we are going to look for shirt and the body. We can use the shirt, and we can bring this down here to make sure that nothing is visible this side, and this one, yeah, we can use this to bring this up, just these points. Okay, we don't need that. I think just slightly like this. Now it's just imagination. If someone does that, this is gonna work like that. And then let's go to the body and do the same thing. Okay, so let's do it. Yeah. If you want, you can go back to the shirt here and correct the shirt from here is best. Yeah, that looks much more better. Okay, main line, let's have a look the other one now. It's not usual someone bend something like this, but we can still do that. Okay, I think we can just leave that. Okay, so yeah, we said that for this hand we will want to do another smart bond for that, which is B7 too. The reason, we are most likely to turn this hand this side, like stop. Okay, so go back to the right hand and correct that. Now I need to do slightly like muscles here. Yeah, so that's acceptable. If we have done that, we'll need to do with this again as well. So add that, and then 24, and then this one, this side. No, that's not what we want. We wanted this one. We really don't need to do that. So that's the left hand. Okay, so we have used SmartBone to do everything with this character. Now this character is ready for rigging now. The next one, it's going to be rigging this character, which include. So I hope you enjoyed this video, so please don't forget to watch the next video.